Oh my god. Beautiful, but yeah, now with the parabolic star. By the end of it all, oh my god.
Hi guys, my name is Anna. I hope you know that, but if you don't, I have my Telegram channel, which is completely free, and we trade together right there on binary options. I have 12 signals a day in my Telegram channel, so just proceed, check it out, and let's go.
Hi guys, here's me, Anna. Yep, of course, it's my favorite place to be. We're just here sitting and trading the Quotex platform. I prepared just the nicest strategy. I think it's gonna be working. So if you are here for the easy decision and easy profits, that's for you. Okay, let us start. We're getting back and started, of course, at the whole setups and all this stuff that we are having. 651 is going to be the process for us. It's going to be 4 indicator based strategy, and I think it's going to be kind of working on even the 3 indicator, because the key combination right here is going to be MACD and CCI, and plus we just having like the doubling all that impression. With the Kelvin channel, we just have B, and then parabolic star just as a gift for us. So all these thoughts, all these expectations from this strategy is kind of, I am safe, I am certain, I am calm about all of the results, and we're going with 10-second candles because we are in the mood of risking. We can trust the strategy so we can get more frequency here on the chart, because when you don't have the nice and clear picture, this kind of, I don't know, kind of fast moving is a bit distracting. So here we are. I cannot say that, no, I can say it's nice. You can see how all these 3 combinations are getting combined, and that's beautiful. Let's start. And what do we have? What do we have right here? And that's the classic one. Look at the MACD, and this is everything that we need to know. We are getting closer, the candles are green, the green line are trying to get above, and then with the CCI you can see, actually you can see that it's rising, but with the tendency to go like that. What about the Kelvin channel? One of them, I think, one of the most interesting moments right there, because you can see it's kind of ugly. It looks like a snake. Really, that's the snake. And while me being judging the appearance of the Kelvin channel, we had an attempt to go downward, and that was I must say, with these indicators below chart, it's so clear. How about the Kelvin channel? You can see that it's getting kind of narrow and then wider at the moment when we change the direction, and now you can see that we're getting narrow, and I think after that we may go wide. And that is the specific setups that we have right here. I cannot say that it's kind of helpful, but anyway, we need to pay attention to it. Let's try one more. Here you can see that the Kelvin channel is way more boring. It's just way more classy, and right there just quite the same. We don't need much explanation over there. Look at this MACD, green lines, the green candles, the green line are trying to cross the orange one, it go above, and the CCI showing us we're gonna get upward. You know, the parabolic star reacting only when it's already happened, when we already have the opposite tendency, and here we are. We can see the parabolic star. It's actually the nice feature also, because we can see that this tendency is going to be keeping up. That's also important. Kelvin channel right there, not useful. I'm not gonna say useless, because that's the strong, but it's not useful. We can see some, like, it's, I cannot say like a moving average or something like that, but the whole direction and tendencies. But you can see that perfectly, that this Kelvin channel is not giving us the info what's going to be next. And MACD right there, oh my god. No, it's fine, because the time is out. Time is up. Yep. But it wasn't that big rise, and actually Kelvin channel right there was the only ride. but big tendency seems like we're getting downward. So, are we gonna go with the same pattern? I hope so. Look at this CCI. Just going like that. Cut heels. Let's wait for the result, because over there, that a bit of a reskin, and you can see and the MACD is not that stable. It's okay when it comes with waves. It's okay when we have this pattern, but this is, you can see that with the candles, you can see that with the line. It's kind of often. The frequency is too much, so we cannot trust that. What about the parabolic star? With the last one, the parabolic star was also kind of right. It gave us that it's going to be still the big tendency and we're not going to change it. And right there, I also can say we're going downward. It seems like that we just going downward with the letter and stuff, but we needed to follow that pattern that we have. So we're going downward by having these ups and downs. But by the end of it all, oh my God. If I'm being honest, if I would be judging, if that's the profit or the loss, I would go for the loss, but oh my God, the big tendency is to go downward, just as I said, and that rising wasn't that big. And here we are, a little bit shake it up with this last one. Okay, big situation. I think we will see some crossing in a while. Of course, there is no clear hints, no clear indicators, no clear stuff to see that it's not going to be still the growing, because actually we are not at the highest point, so we may have some rising, but I think we're going to get downward at the end of it. Yeah, now you can see it. Maybe we needed to be a little bit later when we can catch these orange candles with the MACD. But anyway, if you are kind of certain, you know the situation, you can go a bit earlier, but only in a minute. We can judge by was it right or wrong. But I don't like that we don't see the parabolic star dot showing us that we're going downward. That means that we still can be jumping, and this is what I don't need. Done. Beautiful, but yeah, now with the parabolic star, when we started to rise, actually, we started that downward stuff. Almost 5,000. That's not bad. 600 and a half and almost 5,000. That's good. That's how we make it. Confirm. Gonna paste the code. Okay. And copy, paste, and done. That's done. And this is the end. That's actually not bad. So, of course, we had some tempting moments, and I'm just a little bit in the low mood today. So, you know, it wasn't like, oh my God, because it is affecting the result that you were having. But anyway, for the strategy, I have no question. I have no suggestions. That's just the normal working one. This is just the tool that you need to try on to get your profits. My recommendation. It's done.